Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get Mac computer light spotlight shows in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and the Google search for one application name as Power Toys, and on the first list you will see here its official website. Just click on it. Now just click on this install Power Toys. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here visit the respective websites. As you can see here, just click on it. Just scroll down below again. Now just below the assets you will see here tons of files with .zip, .exe. So I'm gonna download the exe version. You can download the zip file also, whichever file you want to download. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. Just double click it to run this software installer. Click on I agree. Click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now you can just click on close and the application has already started. So now on your computer keyboard just press Alt plus space. So now you can see here uploading for appearing on the center of the screen, as you can see. So you can type anything. Say I will just type P. So it will show the names of the software or applications with the name P. So finally we have got a Mac computer like spotlight shows in our respective Windows computer. So by using this cool application named as Microsoft Power Toys, you can easily get Mac computer like spotlight shows in any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.